Hello people. Today I wanted to show you what option you should turn on because I had one issue when I tried to guess what was causing my V-Ray render my material review to stop for a while. I did some research, but I found one setting which will help you to fix that issue because this wasn't updating at all. I think you have to turn one feature off when you go to V-Ray. Edit preferences. When you go to renderer, V-Ray, materials. Don't disable this. What you should disable for review during interactive rendering and lower quality little bit. I wouldn't disable this because you will not see your maps if you disable this. And after that I was able to fix my issue because Cinema 4D I could not see materials. My review of materials did not work and it was causing Cinema 4D to stop working for a while, and I was waiting for ages and nothing helped, only that option. Review during interactive rendering. You have to disable this.